Today we are going to discuss about the love marriage yoga in your chart. What are the possible conditions and what are the probabilities that we can show that the chart can show that we have the love marriage yoga. Why I am focusing love marriage? Because out of 100 comments, 90% comments are based on love marriage, arranged marriage and intercaste marriage, and it is not every time possible for me to reply on your comments. So I am from today onwards discussing all the parameters in the series wise, in the method wise, so that you can easily understand is the marriage yoga in your chart is present or not. When I like any video, it means that you have. When I dislike any video in the comment, then it means you don't have. So there are many lucky they are lucky ones who get to marry the love of their life, but some of them are not. In India, arranged marriages are the most common things that we see, and it's actually become a part of the Indian culture. So when we talk about the love marriage yoga, there are number of planets, there are number of houses. The first house is fifth house, the house of love and romance. The seventh house is the house of marriage. So these two houses play a very crucial role either in your D1 chart and D9 chart. So today the first rule deals with the two houses and the relationship between them. What are those houses? Just watch this video at the end, you will understand everything. If you need any consultancy, you can download Jyotishgher Veda app or you can consult from our website. Now come to your chart. Take your chart on the table. It will be your ascendant on the D9 chart. If the condition is not present in the D1 chart but it is present in the D9 chart, then it holds somewhat. So the first common yoga, the first method, the first common yoga that we analyze inside the chart. Also note that the Hindi version of this video already present in the playlist. You can check out from them there. The first common yoga for love marriage is the relationship between the two houses. Just note down, this is the second house, the house of extension of the family, and this is your fifth house. So the second house and the fifth house of romance, children, mutual fund, intelligence. Ultimately it deals with the romantic life, how much romantic you are. The planet present here decides your romantic relationship and love. When it comes in connection with the second house, when it comes in the connection with the second house of family, it tells us that there are very high chances for love marriage in your chart. How? Let me tell you by one example. Suppose you have any ascendant. Suppose let's think it's a Sagittarius. If you are a Sagittarius Jatka or Jatika, number 9 is written here. I'm going to discuss here example 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, this way. Just focus on these houses right now. What I have mentioned, then the connection between the fifth house and the second house. If in your chart the fifth house lord is present in the second house and the second house lord is present in your fifth house, then the condition holds true. If the fifth house lord is present in the second house but the second house lord is present in the 6th, 8th house, then the problem is there. In the same way, if the second house lord is present in your fifth house and the fifth house lord is present either 6th, either 8th, either 12th, then there will be the problem in the love marriage. You have to follow the proper remedy. The planet which is present in the 6th, 8th houses, or the planet present inside this chart with the malefic planets like Rahu and Ketu. What you have to do, just do Strotam or the Bij mantra of the respective house. If the planet is present 6th, 8th house, then you just need to donate the corresponding objects and items related to that planet. And you can know about all these ideas from our Jyotishgher Veda app or in our website we have mentioned. You can also check out our Quora and the blogger section also. Apart from apart from that, if you need any personal advice or free advice, you can consult us from the Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. Just share your chart, Vimshotri Dasha, and one question. We will try within 60 days to reply you. And please note that on the same day the video launch, if you place your comment, there are 80% chances that you can get the reply at the same day or within a second day. Also, if you subscribe the channel, don't forget to press the notification bell, because the videos are awesome and in the different way, and most of the people complain us that we are not getting the notification because you forget to press the notification bell. So in the first common yoga, I have mentioned that love marriage is, there is a relationship between the second house and the fifth house. The fifth house is of romance and the second house is of family. So when the romance lord is placed or in connection with the second house, it tells us that there are high chances for love marriage in the relationship. And also the second house lord and fifth house lord, whatever you have, should not be debiliated. First condition, should not be combusted. Second condition, should not be placed in the nakshatra of 6th, 8th and 12th house lord. So if you have such questions, please, this video is for you. We are not going to reply you in the comment section because we have video for you, and just focus and watch these videos again and again to understand the concept. In the second video, we will discuss few more parameters and few more yogas. The series will continue long until all the yogas are not covered. So please wait and have patience for all your queries and your comments reply. And do not share your mobile number. We do not ask anybody. We do not call anybody. All the appointment is totally based on the application based and website based appointment request. That's all for the day. I think everything is clear. It's very simple concept. The Hindi version, you can check it the playlist. That's all for the day. Jai Shani Dev.